morning, Frank.
Good morning. Guess what we're doing today?
Building a stone wall.
Brick and block. Brick and block. I guess stone and block.
So it's got it tied in. All that's set up. Getting all that ready for the next layer. You already have the next blocks up there?
Next couple. Priming my stone. The only way I know how. It's warm.
Hot lime mortar.
Yeah. Alright, we're going back up with the stone. We've got 1 set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets up so far. And now we're going to check my fancy story tape. Carrie's going downstairs, or down at the bottom. She's going to place it at the top of the sill. I think that's what it says, right, baby? And then I'm going to check my story pull mortar joints. That one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. I think that's close enough, Carrie Lee.
Good.
So we lost a lot of the crack. So that's good, right?
Yeah.
And they're looking decent. Of course, we'll go back and point it with the colored mortar. That's how they had it. I think my story tapes worked.
I think they did too.
And as soon as we get it up a little higher, we'll finish up some concrete block, tie it in a couple times, and put this big lintel across here. This is the form. We're gonna pour concrete from here all the way around. That's all gonna be concrete up against this. So with rebar and everything. This wall is not going nowhere when we're done with it. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Again.
Oh, watching you build a wall.
Woohoo.
One more course for the first floor facade on this side before we get to the corner piece. Okay, Frank's putting on the last course of brick for
This is stone, baby.
Yeah. So, excuse me, the stone. And after that course goes in, then this corner piece goes in, and the lintel right there goes in. So I'm gonna clean up all that old mortar off there and get it ready to go. Okay, we have successfully put all of these back in place. This one and this one right here are our next ones we're putting in, I believe. But it is exciting to know that all of these stones are back in place. And this gap is now closed. That's exciting.
Hey, baby. A little close.
Hi. Well,
A little close, baby.
I am a little close, but I just thought I'd get a up close look at what you were doing.
Don't do that. I'm a pilot, not a mason.
Yeah, it's looking great. All right, the block is as high as the facade outside. So we have a few things to do before we can continue up, but that's exciting.
Gotta make a form.
We're gonna make a form for concrete above this window and above this window, if I'm correct.
Yep, it's gonna be a bond beam / lintel.
Okay. All those bricks right there are getting ready to be taken down. So that's a cool hat. He's getting after those bricks. Okay, I just fixed a batch of hot lime mortar, and this stone is getting ready to be put in. I'm going to start Bertha and bring her around, and the lintel going back in. What are we doing, Frank?
Putting a lintel up. What does it look like we're doing?
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited. If it works,
Me too.
we'll find out.
Yeah.
got the lintel here. Now we have to make sure the posts are level, plumb, and make sure the lintel's level and plumb. And Carrie did such a good job driving the forklift. Didn't destroy anything. Huh, baby?
No, not yet.
So, that's where we are.
Going back up. Well, we got the lintel in. Frank is now just...
Trying to shore it up.
Yep.
Put some hot lime mortar in it.
Yep. It's still not easy, but I couldn't imagine doing this without Bertha. There it is. It's looking good up there. Frank is still securing, shoring up that window lintel. It's nice to see it back in place though. Frank is doing some more pointing up there, trying to get all that stuff where it will set up nice overnight and be nice and secure for us to build on top.
A lot of work.
Yes, it is.
I'm sure there's better ways to do this, but I'm not a mason.
You know, we're not.
I am a pilot.
You are. It's looking good though. And there it is. All ready to go and secure. It'll just sit there. We're going to put that cornerstone, that one right there, in tomorrow. Okie doke. What are you doing? Are you getting some sunshine? Are you getting some sunshine? Oh, look at you, Mia. What else is in here? What else is... Oh, it's a mini. Are you getting some sunshine too? Are you getting some sunshine too, pretty girl? You getting a little sunshine? That's okay, Mimi. Good girl. Yeah.